Cha-cha, tango, waltz or the rumba. Signora's dance has no title. You jump in the saddle, hold on to the bridle. Jump in the line, rock your body and time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body, rock your body, child. Jump in the line, rock your body and time. Somebody help me. Jump in the line, rock your body and time. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time. Sinora, she's a sensation, the reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. High star skirts a little higher. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Up the chimney. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake, 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 Sinora. Shake your body line. Work, 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 Sinora. Work it all the time. Dance, 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 Sinora. Dance it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora. Work it all the time. Sinora dances calypso. Left to right is the tempo, and when she gets the sensation, she go up in the air, come down in slow motion. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Somebody help me. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora.
Red arrows, and you press one. Press again, it goes straight. Then when you do it here at the top, you move to where you need to go. This one, if you press A again, it makes it go. This is the one that then you don't do nothing, you press this one, you make it like this, and you let go when you're ready. Actually, press A again, line up where you think, press the one underneath. Counting up, always underneath. Nothing else. Let go, you have to let go. When you went on this, you let go of the B and it shall forward. Fucking strike.
Ali,
14,
girl?
it's not
Ay,
16.
ayoko.
Well, 16.
Dito
But
bata
no,
pa.
she
Na-experience
was
na
very
rin.
bossy.
Yeah, she's very bossy, that's why.
Dito mga bata pa, na-experience na.
Sino
And
tumatawag?
now I have another one.
Yeah.
You
Yung
know-
babae, ay doon kami sa pumunta kami sa Tornik ba?
Si Evelyn.
Hey,
Sabi ni tayo.
baby.
Sit down.
Hello.
Sabi ni tayo.
Dito kay Ana.
Sabi mo ng mga tao.
Mamaya pa ako mga alas 4.
Baby, how long are we
Okay,
together
thank
now?
you, ha.
We've been
Bye-bye.
together 2 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Si
In
Evelyn,
the
ay,
morning, who
si Evelyn
gets
sa
up and
bawal,
makes
tinanong ko
tea?
anong oras ako uwi. Sabi ko, mamaya pa alas 4.
Very good. Now ask her. Who if we two together 2 years? Who in the morning gets up, opens, and makes hot the room, and makes
Somebody
tea?
called me, that's why I stand up.
Me!
Fuck you.
Me!
One in the white, you sprinkle yourself.
Inat na daw.
This is I don't know why it's too wet.
Ito pa.
Ano yan? Suka.
Ito pa, yan. Tupan kita dyan.
Let's eat for lunch. Ang dilim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Nandito na naman po ako sa bahay ni Kevin.
2.5 hours. If we
Tayo
made
po
it.
tayo.
It's not listening. So, but yeah, she goes, she will call you, said, text you, said, she needs you. I said, no, we can't do nothing tomorrow. I said, nothing tomorrow because we have the immigration. You've gone back on my TV.
Just turn up. Yan po sila. Kaya, nagluluto yung aking kaibigan. O, ano ang ano nyo sa Valentine's?
Ha?
Saan ang ano natin sa Valentine's?
Trabaho.
May trabaho ka?
O,
Ako wala.
lagi naman may trabaho.
Iba-Valentine's ko sarili ko.
Mag-ano talaga ako, kasi babawi ako ng pera. Wala akong ngayong pera-pera.
Papa, magpapahipay niya. Alam mo ba?
Hindi ko po alam.
Ito. Pagkain na naman ang aming harapin.
Nag-vlog ka pa rin.
Alam mo, te,
Oo.
si Ate Carmen gusto-gusto kong punta dito.
Ay, teka. Naka-vlogs tayo.
Ay, ako.
Ayan sila.
Hello.
Ana,
Yeah. Hi.
Hot.
Vietnam.
magla-lunch kami. Ito yung aming spring roll, vegetable roll, rice, tapos Balenciaga.
Balenciaga.
Ay, naku. Happy Sunday, everyone.
Na mag-birthday na naman ako. Sasagutin ko rin yung sarili ko.
Yun lang.
Ako napansin ko kasi sabi ko, dito. Sa'yo dalawa ako.
Sa akin, tagal na yan. Sis, kasi nung bata pa ako, ang hilig kong kumunot ng noo. Pag nasisilaw, kaya tagal na yan. Eh, kaya ngayon nagkakaedad pa, wala lumalala.
Ay, sabi ko, wala lang, tumatanda na ako. Going 52 next June. Next June? June. Kaya, may reward na kami sa mga beauty namin. Ay, naku. Magla-lunch na po kami. Yung lunch namin. Spring roll, vegetable roll.
Shit.
Somebody call you.
I've just figured out how to put us.
This is mine.
I'm calling you. Answer it.
Somebody calling you.
Answer it, because if it does, that means you get big screen TV instead of on your phone.
Somebody.
Hello. You are crazy. Huh? Stop calling me.
Now I can connect. Now I can connect your Facebook to the big TV.
Alright. No problem.
Stop calling me.
No.
Uh,
And because the memory
no,
maybe.
baby, we get new phones.
Kasi tayo babae, kailangan daw din natin na
Oh, yeah.
But
pa-importante
you
na
have to
tayo
go
sa
back on here and install Yahoo.
bigyan ka na yun ng
Yahoo.
importansya kasi kung ikaw palagi nang magpakita na wow, parang atat-atat ka.
Talaga, oo.
Sabihin nila, is it at sobrang mahal sila.
That's true. Hello guys, we are eating for lunch. Lunch. Parang busog na ako.
Kumain ka.
Kasi kumain ako ng kumain ako ng yung
Kumain siya ng Valenciaga.
yung ano ba yung bilog-bilog?
Sweet.
Oo, yung sweet.
Imagine nga ako.
Siguro salad na lang ang kakainin ko.
Bigay lang yun sa akin.
Salad na lang siguro. Yun na lang vegetable salad sa kayo. Tapos nakadalawang roll na ako. Malat na, guy.
Malat na ba?
But check Yahoo email. I might have to install it again. You got to think I'm comfortable.
Halik po, kain po kayo. Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
Kain po tayo.
Yummy pong pagkain.
Hindi din.
Ayan, may isang sawa ng ano.
Nangingit na ako, parang suka.
Suka na may toyo na may bawang, masarap.
What taste gusto